So if any of you know the artist Salvador Dali, he's legendary. He created some amazing, inspiring, magical paintings. And guess what? He used to use his liminal dreams to create these paintings. So below is the technique that he used to do. And interestingly enough, Thomas Edison used to do the same thing. And they both independently came up with the same exercise. So you might want to call it the Dali-Edison method. Basically, they used to hold a key or something heavy and metal that would make sounds when you dropped it. It could be like a bag of coins or a ball or whatever. And you would take a nap in a chair. And then as you're falling asleep, it wakes you up. And then you immediately have a pen and paper or something close by to journal what you were seeing. That chaotic hypnagogic imagery can turn into amazing artwork or inspiration for something. And you can set the intention to get something specific out of it. And you know what? There are so many other inventions that have come from dreams, including the sewing machine, the DNA double helix. He saw the structure in his dream and was like, oh wow, let me work on this. And a lot of these are problems that the inventor or the artist or the scientist was already working on. And like I said before, their brains continued to work on it while sleeping, and the dream showed them the next step in their work that led to these amazing discoveries that have changed our lives and society every day up until today. Other ones include the periodic table of the elements. Dmitri Mendeleev was a scientist, I think he was Russian or something like that, and he was struggling on the structure of the elements. And in his dream, he saw it all laid out and he was like, that's it. Thanks, dream. Woke up, wrote it down. That's the important part. You got to take the action step to write it down and pay attention to it. Same thing with Google. He had an anxiety dream about it, and it led to the creation of Google, like freaking Google, thanks to the dream world. Einstein's theory of relativity, the structure of the atom. Paul McCartney's song Yesterday came from a dream. And Paul McCartney would even walk around singing the tune that he sang in his dream, wondering like, there's no way I came up with this. Like, I must have heard it somewhere, surely. He sang it to like his friends and family for like months, and they were all like, no, that's your song. You came up with it. He was like, wow, I guess it is. Thanks, dream world. All these things came from dreams, and a lot of them through liminal dreaming, so don't underestimate yourself.